just finished a project for my grandson for his birthday, and I have some leftover vinyl, and I don't want to waste it. I also have the leftover transfer mask that the vinyl came from, and I don't want to waste it. So I'm simply going to use this same transfer, put the mask down on the correct side of the vinyl, just like it came. So here's the correct side. Here's one of the masks I used that I cut it out from originally, and I spread it from the middle out so there's no bubbles. Now that we've reused our vinyl, we've used our scrap vinyl and reused our masks, let's go make something. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.